Hey guys, Captain Christian Sanchez here out of Miami, Florida, running Imagos Sport Fishing charters on a 35-foot contender. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida. I've been fishing my whole life. As soon as I was 18, I got my captain's license, started my own business, which is Imagos Sport Fishing. So Miami fishing is really cool because we could travel only 2 to 3 miles offshore and we're catching all your pelagic fish. You've got sailfish, kingfish, dolphin, tuna, wahoo. Our full day trip is pretty hard to beat. With a full day of fishing, we could really navigate as far as we need to locate the fish on some days. Including the price of the trip is fuel, our first mate, ice, fishing tackle, fishing licenses. Live bait is also included in your trip, so we don't spend time catching the live bait. The only thing that's not included is whatever you guys want to drink or eat. All right guys, let's get off the couch and let's go fishing. Book us on fishingbooker.com. We'll catch us some sailfish, dolphin, and tuna. Let's get rolling.